This is the fifth video of this lesson. Let's start reading. The Maharaja's anxiety reached a fever pitch when there remained just one tiger to achieve his tally of 100. Only one tiger was left uh, in completing his mission. 99 he had already killed, one is left only. And he was uncontrollable. King was uncontrollable. He was thinking of hunting, killing, poaching tiger day and night. He had this one thought during the day and the same dream at night. He was obsessed with killing with tiger. Day and night he was just thinking about killing a tiger. Only one tiger was left. By this time the tiger farms had run dry even in his father-in-law's kingdom. Even in his father-in-law kingdom there was no more tiger. Tiger population was no more. It became impossible to locate tigers anywhere. Now there was not the tiger was not found anywhere. It was very difficult to locate. Yet only one more was needed. Only one was needed. If he could kill just if he could if he could kill just that one single beast, the Maharaja would have no fear left. He will have no fear left if he would be able to kill one. He could give up hunter, he could give up tiger hunting altogether, and he is going to give up, abandon tiger hunting forever. But but he had to be extremely careful with the last tiger. He had to be careful because it was the prediction predicted by the astrologers that he had to be able to kill 99, and he had, but he had to be very careful with 101. What had the late chief astrologer said? Even after killing 99 tigers, the Maharaja should beware of the 100. बहुत सावधान रहना पड़ेगा जब वो 100 टाइगर को मारेगा तब. ट्रू इनफ, और बात सही है. द टाइगर वॉज अ सेवेज बीस्ट आफ्टर ऑल. Tiger is very danger animal. One had to be wary of it. One had to be very cautious of it. But where was that 100 tiger to be found? कहाँ है वो 100वां tiger? It seems easier to find tiger's milk than a live tiger. It was very means it was an hyperbole. In order to give a strong effect to the lesson, the writer has used this line. It seems easier to find tiger's milk than a live tiger. Thus the Maharaja was sunk in gloom. He was there found in the state of despair. Right? Because he was not able to locate, he was not able to find, he was not able to discover, he was not able to find the 100 tiger. But soon came the happy news which dispelled that gloom. But happy news came, glad tidings came to him that dispelled, that remove his gloom, sadness. Gloom means sadness. In his own state, sheep began to disappear frequently from hillside village. There was one village that is there near hillside where sheep, sheep began disappear frequently. बार बार sheep घेटे वहाँ पे गायब होते थे, sheep गायब होते थे. It was first ascertained means to discover, to find. It was first found that this was not the work of Khadar Mia Sahib or Veerasamy Naikar, both famed for their ability to swallow sheep whole. Oh, very danger people. So it was discovered that it was not work of that Khadar and Veerasamy, because they both were known for their swallowing or devouring the entire sheep. Surely tiger was at work. इसका मतलब कि if it is not work of these two people, means tiger was there. The villager ran to inform the Maharaja. The just villager went to inform Maharaja. The Maharaja announced a 3-year exemption from all taxes for the village and set out on the hunt at once. The Maharaja even became so happy. He announced that 3 years tax to be forgiven, to be exempted. The tiger was not easily found, but he was not able to find tiger. It seemed as if it had wantonly hid itself in order to flout means defy the Maharaja's will. ऐसा लग रहा था that tiger himself didn't want to come out and he didn't want to be killed by the king. The Maharaja was equally determined. महाराजा भी पूरा इरादा कर लिया था कि वो भी मार के रहेगा. He refused to leave the forest until the tiger was found. And he was fully determined not to leave the place. He was living in jungle only. As the days passed, the Maharaja's fury and obstinacy means जिद्दापन, उसका जो जिद्दीपन, the Maharaja's fury and obstinacy mounted alarmingly. He became very angry. He became very rage because he was not able to lock it. He was not able to find the tiger. That was his urge. That was his need. He wanted to kill the last tiger and he was not able to get it. And he became so much angry. Many officers lost their jobs. He removed many officers from their post. One day, when his rage was at its height, जब उसका गुस्सा पूरे पीक पे था, हाइट पे था, the Maharaja called the Diwan and ordered him to double the land tax forthwith. He ordered the Diwan to double the tax in the village. He was very angry. The people will become discontented. He said, Diwan tried to make the king understand that okay, people will become very unhappy if you will raise that tax. Discontented. Then our state too will fall a prey to the Indian National Congress. पूरा अपना स्टेट इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस का शिकार हो जाएगा. इन दैट केस यू मे रिजाइन फ्रॉम योर पोस्ट, सेड द किंग. अगर ऐसी बात है तो फिर आप यू कैन पुट योर रेजिग्नेशन फ्रॉम द पोस्ट. ही वॉज वेरी एंग्री. The Diwan went home convinced that if the Maharaja did not find the tiger soon, the result could be catastrophic. Diwan was very clever. He understood that if टाइगर नहीं मिला तो कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस बहुत डेंजर हो सकते हैं. He felt life returning to him only when he saw the tiger which had been brought from the people parks in Madras and kept hidden in his house. He thought that the tiger that he had brought from Madras park, and if the same tiger put before the king or put in the jungle, then and then life will return. He felt life returning to him only when he saw the tiger which had been brought from people park. So he brought one tiger from Madras park for the king secretly, confidentially for the king. At midnight when the town slept in peace, रात के अंधेरे में पूरा गांव सो रहा था. Midnight when town slept in peace, the Diwan and his aged wife dragged the tiger to the car and shot it into the seat. They made the tiger sit into their car. Right? It was extremely aged tiger, extremely old tiger. He was not able to move even. That much old tiger. He was near to his death. Such tiger was brought from Madras garden in that village secretly by Diwan and his wife. The Diwan himself drove the car straight to the forest. He drove the car straight to the forest. Tiger was there sitting inside where the Maharaja was hunting, and Maharaja was there inside the jungle. When they reached the forest, the tiger launched its satyagraha. Means satyagraha, the movement started by Gandhi ji against the British. When they reached the forest, the tiger launched its satyagraha. Tiger was not ready to move from his place. He was in love with car. He was sitting inside the car only. He was not ready to move from his sitting place that is there in car and refused to get out of the car. The Diwan was thoroughly exhausted in his effort to hold means pull or drag the beast out of the car and push it down to the ground. He was very exhausted. He was very fatigued to drag the tiger out of the car, and ultimately was able to do it. On the following day, the same old tiger went into the Maharaja's prison and stood as if in humble supplication. The tiger was now just wondering, and the king happened to see that tiger before him, as if the tiger was saying to the king, Master, what do you command of me? आप क्या चाहते हो? आप command करो, आप क्या चाहते हो? It was with boundless joy that the Maharaja took careful aim at the beast. Maharaja bounds Maharaja was so happy. He just aimed at the tiger. The tiger fell in crumple heap, and he just shot at the tiger. He shoot at the tiger, and as a result, the tiger क्रम्पल यानी गिर जाना, हीप यानी पूरे ढेर में वो गिर गया. The tiger fell. The tiger just fell on the ground. I have killed 100 tigers. He was so happy. My vow has been fulfilled. जो मेरी मन्नत, जो मेरा इरादा था, जो मेरा एम था, वो फुलफिल हो गया. Maharaja was overcome with elation. Elation yani happiness. He was so happy with that. Ordering the tiger to be brought to the capital in grand procession. He ordered his army. He ordered his soldiers. He ordered his court. He ordered his men that this dead tiger to be brought in the grand procession. पूरे जुलूस के साथ उसे टाउन के अंदर लिया जाए. The Maharaja's hasten away in his car. महाराजा वहाँ से चला गया because he was there in Janga for many days. After the Maharaja left, the hunter went to take a closer look at the tiger. उसके जो hunters थे, उसके जो सैनिक थे, वो टाइगर को देखने के लिए आगे बढ़े. The tiger looked back at them, rolling its eyes in bafflement. टाइगर तो जिंदा है, वो तो अपनी आंखें गोल गोल घुमा रहा था और कंफ्यूजन में वो उनके सामने देख रहा था. The men realized that the tiger was not dead. The people means this soldier, this army or this hunter, they just came to know that tiger is not dead, he is alive. The bullet had missed it. Bullet miss हो गई है. It had fainted from the shock of the bullet. It had fainted. वो unconscious हो गया था. किस तरह? From the shock of the bullet. बुलेट के शॉक से whizzing past, that was whizzing यानी move very fast near to him, and he become unconscious. I think we had the same kind of lesson in 10th standard. The hunters wonder what they should do, and now they decided what should we do. If we would inform the king that tiger is alive and he was not killed, it is alive, then it would be very danger for them. They decided that the Maharaja must not come to know that he had missed the target. He had missed his target. If he did, they could lose their job. राजा को पता चल गया, या अगर वो बता देंगे तो फिर वो नौकरी खो देंगे उनकी. इसलिए उन्होंने डिसाइड किया कि राजा को नहीं बताना. आई एम जस्ट इन हरी टू फिनिश दिस लेसन. वन ऑफ द हंटर्स टुक एम फ्रॉम अ डिस्टेंस ऑफ 1 foot and shot the tiger. So one of the hunter, he decided to kill the tiger himself, and he just killed it. This time he killed it without missing his mark, and he was able to kill that tiger. Then as commanded by the king, the dead tiger was taken in procession through the town and buried. A tomb was erected over it. The tiger was brought in grand procession in the town, and very big tomb, kabar, a grave was built, right? A tomb was erected over the grave of the tiger. Few days later, the Maharaja's son's third birthday was celebrated. Now it was the birthday of King's son, Maharaja's son, and was to be celebrated. We would discuss the rest of the lesson in the next video, because it is of 15-minute lesson and it become very lengthy. Inshallah I will discuss it. I'm just marking over in the next video.